welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy. Good company and wine, family and friends, make some noise! Still, I cannot feel the presence and the energy of our crowd. How about we can start this lovely program with a round of applause. Isang masigabong palakpakan mo dyan ng may kasamang hiyawan. At magpalakpakan ng may kasamang hiyawan. Scream and shout, come on! More energy, come on! Yung mga talaga dito sa kabila magpapatalo ba? Scream and shout, come on! Lahat tayo magpalakpakan ng may kasamang hiyawan. Ano na talaga yung energy na hinahanap natin? Once again, good afternoon or good evening to each and every one. Welcome to Family Home Care Services Company 5th Annual Party. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jose Stanley at your service. And I want to welcome here at Armon Hotel here in Jufair. For sure, we're gonna have fun and exciting activities. So please stay tuned, sit back and relax. Palakpakan mo dyan! Ladies and gentlemen, they say New Year's are another chance to get it right. And we are just days away from that fresh start. But tonight is not about the next goal. It's about celebrating the incredible milestones we've already conquered together. Today's celebration is a testament to the hard work and dedication of our administrative and caregiver staff have shown throughout the year. So before we dive in with this incredible night, we would like to acknowledge the distinguished CEO, owner of Family Home Care Services. Let's give it up for Sir Ali Abdul Rahim Salman Ahmed Mansour. A round of applause. And we would like also to acknowledge their presence for this prestigious event. Let's give it up for Ma'am Arlene Manao, the manager. Hindi rin magpapahuli. Let's give it up for Ma'am Promise Joy Manao, the HR and accounting. And the last but definitely not least, let's give it up for Ma'am Maria Jonaline Sean, the supervisor. Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan na may hiyawan. Come on! Well, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is about laughter and friendship. And of course, making more memories together with our fun parlor games and activities afterwards. So let's loosen those ties and get this celebration begin! Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially start this lovely program for tonight, we're gonna feel the presence of our Almighty God amidst us through a prayer to be led by Maria Alenita Fernandez. Let us all rise and let us all bow our heads.
In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, Amen. Heavenly Father, we praise and thank you for all the blessing you have given this past 2025.
Amen. I'm glad and honored to invite here in front of the stage our very own, the supervisor of Family Home Care Services. Let's give it up for Ma'am Maria Jonaline Sean for her welcoming remarks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Family Home Care Services, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our dedicated caregivers. We gather not only as you bring everything. This evening is for us to relax, have fun, and appreciate one another, not just as a colleagues, but as a family. Let's enjoy the night, celebrate our journey, and the bond that makes Family Home Care Services truly special. Thank you.
Alright, let's give it up for once again for Ma'am Maria Jonaline Sean for that wonderful welcoming remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, to To begin this auspicious occasion on a high note, I would like to invite her here up on the stage. The manager of Family Home Care Services, someone who started as a caregiver, has grown with the company, leading with heart, dedication, and experience. Please join me in welcoming the heart of Family Home Care Services. Let's give it up for Ma'am Arlene Globasa Manao. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Thank you so much sa ating host ngayong gabi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Today is very special because this is not just an annual party. This is a moment for us to pause a breath and truly appreciate how far we have come together as one family here at Family Home Care Services. It's because of you. Your hard work, dedication, and passion make all the difference. And we won't be here without each of you. But still, shown up. I know the emotional weight of caring for someone else's loved one. I know the quiet sacrifice, being away from family, missing celebration, and pushing through even difficult days. Someone not listening, someone talking. That's why I see you, I respect you, and I am truly proud of you. At the same time, because I care, I must also be honest, a little firm. The work we do at Family Home Care Services matters. Our clients depend on us. Discipline, responsibility, and professionalism are not optional. They are part of care we give. When we do our jobs well, we honor ourselves, our clients, and this company. Family Home Care Services is built on compassion, trust, and teamwork. Each one of you plays an important role. No role is small. Every act of kindness, every extra effort, and every moment of patience make a real difference in someone's life. Tonight, let us celebrate not only our successes, but our resilience. Let us remember why we started, and let us be inspired to grow even more together. Thank you for your hard work, your loyalty, and your heart. Enjoy this evening. You truly deserve it. Good evening, everyone.
Alright, once again, let's give it up for Ma'am Arlene Globasa Manao for her wonderful, inspirational talk. Thank you so much for your dedication and always being an inspiration to us all. Your commitment is clear in your leadership, and we are all very grateful for that, for your guidance. Thank you once again, Ma'am Arlene Globasa Manao. Brace yourself. If you know the answer, come over here in front. Which vital sign shows how fast the heart is beating? Once again, I repeat the question. Which vital sign shows how fast the heart is beating? And actually, yung heart rate pwede na din. Oo. Same lang siya sa pulse rate. Oo, same lang din yun. Okay, congratulations. What's your good name? The vital signs again. Okay, here we go. Which vital sign helps the caregivers know if the patient has a fever? Once again, I repeat the question for you, ladies and gentlemen. Which vital sign helps the caregivers know if the patient has a fever? Ay, ano po pangalan nila, ma'am? Dito sila sa gitna.
Elenita Fernandez.
Ayun nag-lead ng prayer. Ma'am, ikaw muna bago namin answerin yung question para sa ating trivia question. Ma'am, taga-sama sa atin?
Bulacan.
Ma'am, ano pinagmamalaki natin sa Bulacan?
Makata. Balagtasan.
Balagtasan. Pwede po masampol na sa balagtasan? Okay lang po ba? Ma'am, may katanungan ako. How do you prepare yourself for tonight's prestigious event? Oh, so much nervous po, no? But the question goes, it's made for you, ma'am. Ma'am, who's your inspiration behind your pretty looks for tonight?
My kids. My kids.
Your kids. How do you find beauty?
It's inner beauty, not in outer beauty.
Not outer. Palakpakan naman siya. Napaka-beautiful yung answer niya for our question. Okay. 2 more questions. Oo. Habang si ma'am busy-busy dito kakadikit. Okay. Ma'am, next question. Sino yung taong yun at saan mo siya dadalhin?
Siyempre siya yung anak ko. Yung eldest ko, gusto ko siyang dalhin dito sa bahay. Para makita niya kung anong nangyayari sa akin dito, kung anong ginagawa ko. Para maintindihan niya, ba't ako na dito? Dahil para sa akin.
Yun naman talaga, no? Parang papunta na, no, sa pag-iyak si ma'am. Ang pasensya na, ha? Kung medyo sentimental tayo or medyo emotional yung questions natin. Ito na talaga. Final question for our Q&A. Question and answer. You look so gorgeous and you look so perfect for tonight. Ang tanong ko, ma'am, gaano kamahal yung dress na ngayong gabi?
Muna lang po. 14 baby lang.
Ang number. Showcase your talent now in singing. Ano po kakantay nila?
My heart and my soul.
You're my heart,
You're my soul.
you're my soul. You're my heart, you're my soul. Mother talking. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we will be entertained by a song number from Ma'am Vicky. Bigyan natin siya ng masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang iyon. Wala pa ako naman dyan, ladies and gentlemen, from Ma'am Vicky on her song number.
It's my world of fantasy.
And gentlemen, Merry Christmas everyone who's all settled down, please all be seated. Because for tonight, we have an array of mesmerizing performances, a lineup that will truly entertain us with their dance number. Under dance number, let's give it up for our Group B. Palakpakan naman dyan!
Go, Jinto!
Wala pa rin mga kamay! Ayun na nga talaga, the Rainbow Girls. Oo, napakaganda. Igilin mo, baby, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Shake it all around. We will be mesmerized and be entertained by another song number. One of the members of Group B. Let's give it up for Ma'am Jelly with the tune of Kahit Konting Awa na Lang. Come on! Bigyan natin siya ng Alright, joining with the Group A, ang ating mga pulubi, come on. Ang mga nahihirapan, yung nagkikahos, yung di alam ang gagawin. Oo, yung Fetus. Oo, kanya-kanya na to. Basta meron lang may perform, alam na this. Yung isa niya parang bone base. Ewan ko kung ano naman siya. Ano ba yan? Fetus? Ano ba yan? Tumor? Tumor ba yan? O chana ko yan? Chana. One, two. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you know the song, sing along with me. Give it mo. Magandang dilag. Bawat lakad mo, lahat sila nagpapatingin. Di mo wari, ba't gano'n ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakaaliw. Ano bang ginawa mo ako'y naaaliw? Tinatanaw kita para bang isang tala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihan. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kung labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh, magandang dilag. Puso ko'y nahalina. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kung labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Palakpakan mo dyan! Kahit na pilit-pilitin pang umiwas sa'yo, oh, paikot-ikot ka dito sa isipan ko. Wala na ba nag-iisa ka lang? Nag-iisang bituin sa kalangitan ko. Oh, tinatanaw kita para bang isang tala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihan. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kung labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh, magandang dilag. Puso ko yung nabihan. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kung labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Sabay! Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kung labis. If you know the song, put your hands on it. Come on! Woo! Sa gitna ng kalawakan. Sabay, come on! Oh, magandang dilag. Puso ko yung nabihan. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kung labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh, magandang dilag. Puso ko yung nabihan. Wala nang ninais, ligaya kung labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Wala nang ninais, ligaya kung labis. Magandang dilag. Palakpakan naman dyan! Ayun na nga talaga. To be mesmerized and be entertained by another song number. Let's give it up for Mom Donna with the tune of Is Still Loving You. Palakpakan naman dyan.
you when it's
We're now going to Raycon.
hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game. Nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold. It ain't wise to need someone as much as
Di ba ito ba yung mga lumikot dyan na? Kung saan ka bye-bye na.
Oh, it's so hard.
Di ba ito ba ito o butterfly?
Nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late.
Sabay-sabay tayo sa house.
Hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game. Nothing's game.
Who's it?
Explanation I can't find. It's the love that your love put me at the top of the world. On the trees and the touch of the breeze, happiness for me. I'm on down. Anyone will show my mind. Now creation, I'm the only explanation I can find. It's the love that I
Nakahigop ka ba? Nakahigit ka ba? Nakadrugs ka ba? Kasi parang nasa feeling heaven daw siya.
on the ground. Wake up lonely. There of silence in the bedroom and all around. You touch me now. I close my eyes and dream away. This song, the waves are saying, dream away.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for the first batch of our awarded for our caregiver staffs who joined in our company from 1 year to 5 years in the making. As I call your name, please come forward. And may we invite also here in front our presenters from the administrative staff. Let's give it up for the manager, the one and only Ma'am Arlene Globasa Manal. We also have Ma'am Jonaline, together with Ma'am Promise Joy Manal, the HR and accounting. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for our first awardee to receive the Loyalty Award, they will receive a certificate of recognition in sincere recognition of your loyalty, dedication, and outstanding service to family home care services. Your unwavering commitment, professionalism, and dependable service have made a meaningful contribution to the organization and to the quality of care provided to those we serve. Your loyalty and continued support are deeply valued and greatly appreciated. Presented this January 9, 2026, our presenters will be Ma'am Arlene G. Manao. For our first awardee from our administrative staff, let's give it up for Ma'am Promise Joy Manao. Ladies and gentlemen, once again a big round of applause for our caregiver staff who joined in our company in the first and 5 years in the making. Let's give it up for Lilen Nerison. entertainment, and let us savor the food that we have for our dinner time. Okay, but stay tuned and don't go away. For the first table, do the honor, proceed in our buffet area, to be followed by the second, third, and so on and so forth. Let's enjoy the rest of the night and enjoy our dinner time. Maraming salamat po.
Meanwhile,
As we finish this lovely program for tonight, we're going to have the fun parlor games for our guests and participants. Okay, for our first game will be entitled the Banana Eating. We're going to invite 10 players. It will be 5 games. Ano ba ang mga sa inyo? Sinasabi ko sa inyo eh, hindi nila marunong magsubo. Ay, hindi ba ako sila marunong kumaan ng saging? Kung saan nasusuot? Ang dami na mga ng saging. How many times kumakain ng saging? Oh, ating winner! Congratulations sa pangalan nila! Congratulations sa partner nila! Meron na? Congratulations sa partner Elisa! Okay, video lang tayo. Okay? The awarding for tonight will be the award for the Star of the Night. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Family Home Care Services with our beautiful ladies. We're going to do with the Rampage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for our first and second set on the Rampage segment. Let's give them a big, big, big round of applause. Wala ba rin mga mind? Bigyan naman natin sila sa kapwa. couples all over the world from Family Home Care Services, hindi mawawala ang ating Q&A. Isang simple question each ladies. For our first nominee, join us here in front. Okay. You look so fabulous and wonderful with your shimmering and dazzling dress. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. Isang question lang. Each ladies, each candidate, isang question. Walang ka po isa. Donna Grace, my question for you will go this way. Anong sikreto ng straight hair? Bakit bagsak?
Plancha lang yan.
Plansya lang yan. Okay, tapos na tayo. Ang galing ng sagot niya. Plansya lang. How about for second lady? For our second candidate? Okay, what's your good name?
Virginia.
Oh, napakasimple lang ng tanong ko. Ang tanong ay kumbaga akma or may kinalaman sa iyong pangalan. Oo. Gano'n ka virgin? Gano'n ka sikip?
Always Virgin because my name is Virginia.
Oo, di ba? Lagi masikip. Every time. 24/7. Lagi masikip. Pwede ba akong pumasok? Papasok ng prinsipe, bubuka ang reyna, ang saya-saya. Oo, okay na tayo. Okay na tayo. Ganun lang kasi yung question. Third lady na tayo. O, siya na lang muna. Hi! Oo, ang ganda ng dress mo. Ang daming sequence. Sequence ba yun? Sequences, oo. O sige, ang question natin all about multiplication. Kasi all about sequence eh. Mga ano pangalan muna nila?
Listen na ba, no?
How are you po?
45.
Ang question ko para sa'yo, 1 times 1.
1.
1?
1 times 1, 1.
Bakit 1?
Yung 1 eh.
1 times 1 is equal to 2. Because we are meant for each other. Okay, for next lady, next candidate. Hello, ma'am, how are you po? Ano pangalan nila?
Judith.
Ano pa?
Judith.
Judith. Ah,
Judith.
Judith. Okay, Judith. Ma'am, ganito. Ma'am Judith, parang once na narinig ko yung pangalan mo, nung narinig ko yung pangalan mo, naalala ko yung mga pinagkakautangan. Pwede ba paki-check yung ano yung Judith ko? Kailan yung Judith ko? Tapos na, magkano pa inutang ko sa'yo?
20?
Hindi na. Magkano yung interest?
10%.
10%. Pwede bang next year mo lang bayaran? Thank you. Oh, next lady na tayo, next candidate. Hello, Ma'am Jenny. How are you po?
Fine.
Ay, taga-saan ka po sa atin ulit? Okay. Ma'am, anong meron sa Cavite?
Makakabit.
Ang galing ng utak mo, no? Ang galing ng utak. Actually, yun yung tatanungin ko. Pero hindi ganun yung tanong ko para sa'yo. Di ba taga-Cavite ka? Sino kabit ng asawa mo? Ano pangalan ng asawa niya? Pwede ba natin patulfo? Ano naman siya? Thank you so much. Marami pa actually. Oh. Bibilisan ko na. Oh. Alam mo may kamukha kang sex bomb girl.
Sino?
Yung mauna. Chok. Pero may kamukha ka talaga. Ano bang talent mo?
Dance.
Dancing. Pwede mo ba akong kukitaan ng isang get out siya? Isang get out? Gusto kong get out. Gusto kong get out. Baka matali mo naman ako. Hindi masyadong close. Sige, isang. Sabayin mo na lang ako. From 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Get. Ikaw naman. Solo mo. Ay, nahuli mo yung bracelet. Sige, isang get out na, please. Dito ka na. Madali ang kausap. Ano ka nag-iilagap sa'yo? Sige, isip ko next natin. Ikaw naman. Ano ba pangalan nila? Jane. Oo. Kumakanta ka po ba tuwing Christmas?
Tuwing Christmas eh, don't have
Oo.
Lakang Christmas eh.
Ikaw lang. Ang kasi tayo mo, oh my God. Naisip ko na yun. Naisip ko na yung jingle. Sige, ganun lang. Anong favorite mo kanta tuwing Christmas? Wala kang Christmas. O di Happy New Year na lang. Anong paborito mo kantahin tuwing New Year? Meron. Ganito. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Ikaw naman.
Happy New Year to you.
With the exclamation point, Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. Oh, next player tayo. Bibilisan na natin at siya baka pumunin iba. Ano pangalan niyo, ma'am? Bella. O sino kawig mong artista?
Pagaling naman ako sa'yo.
Marie, hindi naman ito mukhang Marie-Mar eh. Mukha ako si Paul Goso. Check na. Anyway, ma'am, nagkamukhang artista. Hulaan mo. Bella? Bella? Adilpa. Check lang. Okay, okay na tayo. No? Ganun lang. Honestly, yun. Ano pa naman mo? Larissa. Oh, basta ka naman ngayon. Sino nagpapatibok ng puso mo?
May love one.
Sino yung pangalan nila?
Alejo?
Alejo? Oh, si Sir Alejo ba nahihilo lagi?
Hindi.
Kasi parang nahihilo siya, no? Okay na tayo, oo. Marami na tayo, hindi mo siya doon tatagalan. Maraming gustong movie na agad. Oo, dito na tayo, oo. Ma'am, paano na ma'am? Ellen Adarna? Fernandez. Ma'am, kung sakaling ikaw si Darna at isisigaw mo ang Ding ang bato, paano mo siya isisigaw? Hindi. Hindi mali ka doon. Tatawagin mo pa lang si Ding. Ang sasabihin mo, Ding ang bato. Ikaw naman. Ding ang bato. Ako na to, oh. Darna. Ako na tayo, oh. Explain na tayo, oh. Huwag kang mahina, wala ka naman ginachat. Anyway, ano pangalan nila? Ma'am, bakit parang masyadong basag daw? Sino namuntok sa'yo? Galit na galit yung tao namuntok sa'yo. Bakit parang doble? Inborn. Ma'am, ito na lang. Kung magiging kung magpapatawa ka, anong klaseng paano ka magpapatawa? In what way?
In my own word.
In your own words. Actually, ma'am, tawang-tawa na kami. Hindi ka pa nagpapatawa. Tawang-tawa na kami. Charot lang. Okay. Okay na tayo. Oh, kasi tawang-tawa na ako dito. Okay na ako. Okay na ako. Okay, sino kasi tayo? I love your curly hair. I love your curly hair. Ano yun? Ang sabi ko, ang ganda ng pagka-curly hair mo.
Thank you po, sir.
Ikaw ba si Maria Makiling? Mukha ka si Maria Makiling. Maricel. Ano yung pinaka-favorite mong sabihin sa asawa mo?
Sasama ko.
Magsasabi siya. Kahit kasi tayo. Okay. Ito, ano ang madalas mo sabihin tuwing gabi kay asawa mo?
Good night.
Maliban sa good night.
I love you. Magubad ka na.
Sure, ma'am? Sure ka. Baka pwede mo sabihin sa baka ganito ang pwede mo sabihin sa kanya. Pwede pakanton naman.
Ayun na.
Sige, sabihin mo ngayon. Asawa ko, pakanton ka naman.
Hindi talaga.
Talaga pwede. Okay na tayo. Strict yung parents niya, okay na tayo. Okay sila. Mag-entertainment lang. Ito mo siya itong behave. Kailangan kailangan maging wild ka. Hindi kahit paano. Oo. Parang ikaw, anong tawag dito? Oo. Anong tawag dyan sa ganito? Both sides? Pili. Mute ko, mute. Anong kapansanan mo, ate ko? Anong kapansanan mo? Anong kinaganda mo? Ay, sorry. Wait lang, ang question ko para sa'yo, sino inspirasyon mo pag ka nagpunta sa annual party? Pipiya ka, sige ka na sa posisyon mo, oh. Pagiging ka sa'yo, kaya tayo. Oh, let's clear na tayo. Let's clear na. Meron ka ba? Oh, mabilis lang natin short commercial break. Ma'am, sino ka sa Dragon Ball Z? Joke lang. Super science. Oh, sige. Hami! Sige, ito lang. So, sino ka sa Dragon Ball Z? Okay. 1, 2, sino ka sa Dragon Ball Z? Majin Buu? Gawin mo nga yung hami. Wait, come on, solo. Wait! Pagla, sino ka? Okay! Nagdesisyon na. Meron pa ba? Meron. Ba't di ka nasasalita dito? Mahihayin ka ba? Shop pa. Pero ang ganda mo, no? Ay, ibang lahi din. Accepted na yun natin ko, no? English ka. O sige, English na ako. Later, bukas na lang, no? Okay, how are you? How do you feel for tonight? Good. Happy. Sino nagpapasaya sa iyo sa moment na to? sarili mo. Ma'am, kung magkakaroon ka ng... O sige, ganito rin yung question ko sa'yo. Kung magkakaroon ka ng isang buhay pa, magiging ano ka at bakit? Like for example, namatay ka ngayon, huwag naman sana. Sino ka? Magiging sino ka at bakit? Yung parang yung dati? Actually, nagsawa na kami eh. O, dapat mabago ka naman na. Oo. Ano tayo? Sino? Hi, how are you? How do you feel? What's your name first? Priscilla. You look like a princess from the Disney world. If you become a Disney princess, who will you be? Who do you want to be and why?
Actually, I don't know their names. The characters. I don't know the names of the characters. Yeah.
Okay, do a research first. Come on. Start it now. Who else? Betty Books na tali dito. Betty Books. Ano pa pangalan? Liana. Oh. Mahilig ka bang magsinungaling? Kasi Liana ka, di ba? You're always lianing. Oh, you're always lying. Anyway. Okay. Liana. Ilang grado ng mata mo? Or ng eyeglass mo? 120. 127. Hindi ka ba masyadong... Anyway, kung ano pa man yan, sarilihin mo na lang, wala namang ano siya. Anyway, kung malabo yung mata mo, paano luminawanag yung buhay mo? Isin mo yun at bakit? Sa taas. Ano pangalan? Si Lord. Maliwanag ang buhay mo kasi pagkasama mo si... Lord. Okay na tayo, oh. Sige na. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna announce for the criteria for judging for our beautiful girls from the Family Home Care Services. Criteria will be 25% for the modeling, 25% for the outfit for tonight, and 50% for the Q&A. Sana ginalingan nyo man lang kahit yung 50%. Alam na this. And to present the award, maybe call on Mom Arlene here in front. Okay, together with Mom Jonaline, to present the awards. Our winner for the Star of the Night. Shout your choice, come on! Wala na yung audience. Sino ang ating winner for tonight? Ladies, say it loud, come on! Princess? Priscilla? Who do you think will be our winner for Star of the Night? 2026 for the Family Home Care Services Annual Party. Shout your choice! Who do you think will be? Shout your choice! Okay naman magdidesisyon. Wala naman dapat magdidesisyon. Anyway, our winner will be announced by Ma'am Arlene.
Okay? Pakita ng kanilang kasubutan, pinaghirapan. So ngayon, isa lang yung mananalo. Ang napili, actually, our Miss Darlene, siya yung namili ng Star of the Night. Hindi siya natin kasama. Iba siya, so ako lang yung magbibigay. Okay, the winner, none other than Miss Maricel.
Alright, congratulations Maricel, our Star of the Night. For our first batch, she will receive a sash, a trophy, coming from our sponsors from the Family Home Care Services. Presented by Mom Arlene together with Mom Jonaline, Sean. The Garter Game. Umalis yung ating mga first batch. Yung mga gusto maglaro. Okay, gawin natin yung walk in one place na lang. Okay, for those who want to play with this game, kindly come over here in front. We're gonna invite at least 6 players for this game entitled Walking in One Place. The walking in one place, march in your places for 30 seconds and don't go away. If you will go away from your places, you will be out. Be eliminated from this game. Get ready. And here we go. Come on. March. Go. March. 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 our second batch of attendees for our caregiver staff from the Family Home Care Services. We would like to invite them here in front of the stage for a group photo together with our administrative staff, namely Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Jonalyn, and together with Ma'am Promise Joy. Alright, once again, maybe call in and maybe invite our second batch of attendees to please come over here in front of the group photo together with our administrative staff, Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Promise Joy, and Ma'am Jonalyn. Come on. We are from Family Home Care Services! Maraming salamat po! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the 5th annual party for the Family Home Care Services, and we are live here at Arman Hotel. Once again, this is your host for tonight. Host is standing at your service, and at this point, we would like to acknowledge our second batch of attendees for our caregiver staff. Palakpakan naman dyan! A big round of applause for our second batch of our caregiver staff. Let's give them a big round of applause. We would like once again to invite her here up on the stage for her welcoming remarks. Let's give it up for our very own Ma'am Maria Jonalyn Sean for her welcoming remarks. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Family Home Care Services, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our dedicated caregivers. We are gathered not only as a colleague, but as a partners in a shared mission to provide quality healthcare and make meaningful difference in the lives of communities we serve. The first point of contact for many patients, and your efforts ensure that care reaches those who need it most. Today, it's a special day to pause, enjoy, and celebrate all the hard work, dedication, and heart each of you bring today. Your work make a real difference in the lives of the people we serve, and that is something to be proud of. Welcome to our annual party of Family Home Care Services. Let's enjoy the night, celebrate our journey, and the band that makes Family Home Care truly special. Good evening, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again for her welcoming remarks, our very own Ma'am Maria Jonalyn Sean for her welcoming remarks for our second batch of our caregiver staff. Once again, welcome to the Family Home Care Services 5th annual party. And ladies and gentlemen, let's listen for her inspirational talk from the manager of Family Home Care Services, someone who started as a caregiver and has grown with the company, leading with heart, dedication, and experience with no other than our very own Ma'am Arlene Lumabasa Manal. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Good evening. Every day at Family Home Care Services, we do more than a job. We touch lives with our hearts. I know this work is not easy. It takes patience, kindness, and strength, even in the hardest days. But every act of care you give matters. Every smile you create, every life you support, it makes a real difference. I started as a caregiver too, and I know the challenges. That's why I also know your dedication is what builds growth, not only for this company, but for yourselves. So keep caring, keep learning, keep your best together. We are stronger and stronger together. We make a difference, one family in one life at a time. Thank you so much. Good evening to everyone.
For your support, for our caregiver staff, valuable dedication, great leadership for the company is greatly appreciated. That was once again our very own Ma'am Arlene. Now, as we move on with the next segment of our program, they prepared a special presentation, video presentation coming from our Group F about a caregiver's story, their daily life as a caregiver. Let's enjoy watching.
Of family owned for giving me the chance and the opportunity to work with them. I would like to share a few of those experiences. It's been a year I've started working.
Applause.
My name is Blaze, and it's an honor to stand before you to address you today. As we all know, we stand in the light of a new year. This is 2026, and it's a year that promises a lot of good things, a lot of changes and increase. And I believe that a lot of us is aware the previous year. And now, coming into the new year, there are a lot of changes that we promise ourselves that we will do within ourselves, personally and otherwise, and we end up not being able to do those, have those changes. So many of us have been shouting New Year, New Me since the year 2010, and we are still the same person. No changes have been done. So, I would like to take a
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause once again for Blaze for sharing your testimonial, words of wisdom, and inspiring stories all about caregiving and for our daily life. Once again, a round of applause for Blaze. Gentlemen, another performer who's going to entertain us with their dance and number. Let's give them for our group B. Here in front, together with Angel, Natalie, Joanne, Shirley, Lily, and Susan with the tune of the 90s Dance Remix. Let's give them a big, big round of applause. Nakakailang pa sa isang araw. Inasa ako. Ay, sorry. Joke yan. Kumusta? Ano pangalan nila? Pang-teach ka lang.
Joanne.
Taga saan ka po?
Sir?
Lakasur. Ilocano ka?
Proudly.
Proudly?
Proudly from Ilocano.
Ilocanoan. Ano yung masarap sa Ilocano?
Especially dinengdeng.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong kung pagkain. Anong translation ng masarap sa Ilocano word, language?
Naimas.
Naimas ka?
Well,
Anong parte? Sa legs. Pata, no? Pata. Basta pang bulalo. Anyway, next. Oh, kang lalayas. Sige, ganitong question ko ngayon. Maliban sa gold na napundar mo ngayon sa Bahrain, maliban sa gold na yan, ano bang ibang napundar mo? Hindi ko gagawin. Bukod sa kaba at saka sa gold, napundar mo di ba yung sama ng loob or pagmamahal sa mga kapamilya mo sa mga family home care services? Hindi na it's a question. Hello? Okay, go back with the question. Aside from gold, aside from taba, nakaipon ka ba ng pagmamahal from your family members from the family home care services?
Yes, of course po.
Ano yung mga naipon mo sa mga nakakaraang taon? Tagyaw. Uy, nandiyan yung manager. Maingat ka. Anong naipon mo?
experience.
Oh, like example?
Mga medical,
Ayusin mo buhay mo. Tatanggalan ka ng nito, duty ni Ma'am Marlene. Ayusin mo. Anong mga pwede mong i-share? Testimonial. Ano yung mga na lesson mo or natutunan mo sa pag-stay mo with family home care services?
Number one po yung pagkikisama when it comes to mga katrabaho natin. So we treat them with nice, and then after sa patients natin, number one sa patient, sa alam mo, hardworking. So sa as a experience ko, before, konti lang yung pan, pero ngayon at least applied na, at saka sa mga toxic patients, mga ganyan. So, at least natutunan ko naman ako yung within 2 years po dito sa company ko.
We're gonna have the next game for you, for which we're in. We have our 5 players here in front. We're going to have the game entitled The Soap and the Lollipop Challenge. We're in. This mechanics goes this way. When I say, just follow the instruction that I will say. When I say soap, you need to smell the soap. Using your nose, you smell the soap. Come on. Do it, come on. Smell the soap. Smell it. Kuya. Ano, ang galit kayo. Okay. Okay, now soap. Smell the soap. Come on. All of you guys. I say lollipop. Now lick the lollipop. That's so very easy, right? It's so very easy, right? The instructions very easy. But the challenge for this game, I will make it very fast. So that you will be confused. Okay, that's right. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Once more, are you ready? Here we go with the lollipop and soap challenge. So, lollipop, lollipop, soap, 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 lollipop, lollipop, soap, soap, lollipop, soap, lollipop, lollipop, soap, soap, lollipop, soap, soap, lollipop, soap, soap, so you are wrong. So I also I need your attention for our judges. Bear with me. You will be the judges for our audiences. Okay, lollipop. So lollipop, lollipop, so lollipop, go. Thank you so much. Lollipop, so lollipop, so lollipop, 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 so lollipop, lollipop, so lollipop, so lollipop, lollipop, sino ano? Virginia, thank you. Now 2 players remaining. Who will be our lucky winner for tonight? With the lollipop and soap challenge, we're gonna find out right here, right now, from this stage lollipop. Filipino versus Nigeria. Filipino versus Nigeria will be our lucky winner. Whose nationality will be our lucky winner? Let's find out right here. Come on, lollipop. So, lollipop, lollipop, pop, so, lollipop, so, lollipop, 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 so, lollipop, lollipop, so, lollipop, so, lollipop. Thank you so much. Our winner for this game is that the lollipop and the soap challenge is our no other than, what's your good name? Amphit, congratulations Amphit! Please claim your prize for this Ireland. Once again, welcome to our second batch of attendees. And at this point, we're going to have the awarding for our second batch of attendees for our caregiver staff. As I call your name, please proceed here in front. And for our presenters, we have Mom Jonaline, Mom Promise Joy, and Mom, the one and only Mom Arlene, to present this award. Certificate of recognition is sincere recognition of your loyalty, dedication, and outstanding service to family home care services. Your unwavering commitment, professionalism, and dependable service have made a meaningful contribution to the organization and the quality of care provided to those we serve. Your loyalty and continued support are deeply valued and greatly appreciated. Presented this 9th of January. First to have the certificate of recognition. That's here for Annabelle Uy. Award for the best employee of the year. Our first awardee will be given to with none other than Lynette Nelson. This certificate proudly presented to you, Lynette Nelson, in recognition for your outstanding performance, dedication, professionalism, and exceptional contribution to family home care services. Your commitment to excellence, positive attitude, and consistent efforts have set a remarkable standard and greatly contributed to the success of the organization and the quality of care provided. Presented this day of January Once again, a big round of applause for Lynette Nelson for the best employee of the year. Moving forward with the next awardee or the beneficiary for the best employee of the year, join us here in front, none other than Joanne Quintos Stop! For the next game will be entitled the Trip to Jerusalem, the Garter Edition. What you're going to do for our players, while the music is playing, you need to rotate clockwise, and at the same time, you need to dance along those garters, that garter. Okay? One back, the challenge for this game, but once the music will stop, you need to move out from that garter. If you will remain stuck from that garter here inside, you will be eliminated, be out from the game. ¿Entiendes, mi amore? Yes! ¿Entiendes, mi amore? The players for the Trip to Jerusalem, the Garter Edition, Trial Edition, come on! Move along, those garter! And dance along, come on! Sayawan! Dance, come on! Shoot your backs down, smooth, come on! Shake it, come on! Go there! Shake it, move it, and dance along. You need to make it fast as you can. Okay? Ladies, leaders, on your mark. Hands up. All of you, hands up. Get ready, on your mark. We're gonna have the final countdown for the Trip to Jerusalem, the Garter Edition from 3 and 2 and 1. Come on. Come on, dance. Move it. Shake it. And dance along. Move it all around. Come on. Shake it. Move it. Alright. Thank you so much. You know that. No way. Alright. Come on. Dance. Shake it. Move it. Dance along. Woo. Alright, go! Thank you so much, Ate. Thank you so much for the last one. 5 players are remaining. We will be our lucky winner. We're gonna find out right here, right now, live here at Arman Hotel in Japan. Wala pa, Ate. Gusto ko tanggalin. Hindi magpapara ng instruction, tanggal ha? Oo. Ang gagaling ng mga ito. Hindi, gagawin natin ng twist. It's alright. Move away. Mabilis yung ano. Okay, come on. Move away. Move away from the corner of the pillar. You will be injured. Wala talaga patalo, no? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as we resume this lovely program for tonight, another special awards for you, which is the Star of the Night for our second batch. So may we call on, may we invite all the beautiful girls here in front of the second batch for the awarding for the Star of the Night, second batches of caregivers. Let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, once again representing you, our 3 nominees for the Star of the Night, our 3 beautiful ladies. First nominee, let's give it up for Rose. Wala ba yung mga kamay? Linya. May ka. Boost it, boys. Alright, for our candidate number 2, let's give it up for Miss Jennifer for her rampage. A big round of applause naman dyan. Ayun, yung energy. Ang ganda! Ganun dapat yung energy nyo. Ano nangyari sa kanila, no? Okay na sa akin na, di ba? Okay, the last but definitely not least, candidate number 3, Miss Joanne. Di ka mo kami masabog na pose. Pasabog na pose. Slay. Parang Mr. Pogi lang ha. Face ng katawan eh, no? Ayun na nga. O, lahat na kayo! Make a circle, rampahan, circle! O, ganun, o. Yan, ayan, ganyan. Kaway-kaway naman dyan! Parang nabataan lang ah. Kaway-kaway naman dyan! Three ladies! Ayun na nga. Okay na tayo. O, sige, line up na ulit. How are you? What's your good name again? Please, magpakilala ka. Name, taga saan, at yung, ano mo, motto in life.
I'm Jennifer. Manama.
Motto in life.
Think positive always.
How about for candidate number 2, Miss Joanne? Pangalan, lugar, at motto in life.
Hello, I'm Joan Stack, 32 years old, from Long Sur, representing UNIT! My motto in life is, if others can, why can't I? Fine, thank you.
Okay, the last but definitely not least, let's move forward with Miss Rose. Come on.
Hi, I'm Rose. I'm from Goretti, and my motto in life is give love to each and every one of us.
Okay, we're done with the rampage. And yung magpapakilala, introducing themselves or themselves, we're gonna move forward with the last portion, which is the Q&A. First of all, we have Mom Jennifer. Okay? Okay, how are you again, Mom? You look so fantastic for tonight with your glimmering and shimmering dress. How do you feel? How do you feel to be part of the top 3?
Nervous.
Nervous? With the F. Nervous? May say. Nervous. Anyway, how about, okay, Jennifer, taga saan sa atin ulit?
Ate the Bicol.
Taga Bicol. Ano yung pinakamasarap na pagkain sa Bicol? Laing. Gano'n ka sarap yung laing bukod dun sa ano, sa gata? Di ba may gata yung laing? Ba't parang hindi niya ano? Okay, ano yung ingredients ng laing sa inyo?
Gata, baboy, sili. Luya, no? Hindi ako niluluto, kumakain ko.
Ako makain ka lang. Taga-tingin lang. Pero hindi yung question ko talaga. Ang question ko goes this way. Guys, please participate. Guys, please participate. Boys, girls, please participate first. Okay. Your question goes this way. If ever you will be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that and why?
Gusto ko yung utak ko. Ang contented na tayo. Wala ko na akong masama na.
Ayaw mo mo.
Hello? Hello? Gusto niyo ba?
Alright, that was once again, thank you so much for your amazing answer for our question. You did it well, good job. Anyway, proceeding or moving on with our next candidate. How are you? Congratulations for being part of the top 3 for the start of the night. How do you do? Or how are you doing right now?
I'm fine and I'm very grateful that I'm in front of you all.
Wala bang sa likod? In front lang? To all the surroundings. Anyway, we're Where are you from the Philippines? Ilocos Sur. All I know in Ilocos Sur, there's so much islands or beaches there. Am I correct?
Yes, and we have our this one place, Baluarte from Charlie Simpson.
The owner is Chubby Chison.
Yes.
You are the co-owner? No. You're not the co-owner. But the question goes this way. May boylet ka na ba? May jowa ka na ba? May nagmamahal na ba sa'yo?
I'm married.
Meron, wala.
Yes.
Pero kailangan ko ng isang mic para di tayo hirap. Nasa isang mic tayo. Para di tayo hirap. At ito, we'll go back to your question. So how are you? Hello, my test. Alright, Ms. John, for our candidate number 2, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your motto again in life?
If others can, why can't I?
Ano sa Tagalog yun?
Kung kaya ng iba, bakit hindi ko kaya?
Kung tatanungin kita, ano ba yung kaya mong gawin para sa pagmamahal?
Kaya ko mag-sakripisyo laban sa pagmamahal, love conquers all.
Love conquers all. Kung love conquers all, kaya mo bang patayin si Chubby Simpson para maging mapasaya yung ano Baluarte? Okay lang?
Ayaw ko maging criminal.
Pero may kinalaman ka ba sa blood control?
Kaya kong bahala mag-usap.
Ako naman mo gusto. Pero hindi lang para kailangan corruption sa blood control. Siguro part ka lang siguro ng mga magagandang tao from inside and outside dito sa mundong kinalalagyan natin. Am I correct? But the question is not that one. The real question goes this way. Okay. Kung yung question natin sa first candidate, what part of her body she want to change, sa'yo hindi. Ano yung isang bagay, isang parte ng katawan mo ang gusto mong ipanatili at bakit?
Para sa akin po, gusto ko pag-ipanatili ay yung gawin yung pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko, sa pamilya ko, at sa mga kapwa-tao. And I thank you.
Oh, yun. Ang ganda ng sagot niya, no? Parang gusto ko manalo. Okay. Pakipasa niyo sa ating candidate number 3, the last but not the least, Miss, good name, Rose. Guys, bye! 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 Okay, for our candidate number 3, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good. How do you feel for tonight? How do you feel for tonight? You're good. Okay. Do you have any key message for Ma'am Arlene?
Okay. Ma'am Arlene, our manager, I'm so lucky that
Hindi siya nagigiling mo. Hindi siya nagigiling, sorry.
Ma'am Arlene, thank you for having me here in your company for almost 5 years. And I'm so lucky that when I was, during those past 2 years, I was sick, you never leave me. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. But the question is not that one. Your question will be this way. After 5 years, how do you see yourself? I repeat the question. After 5 years, how do you see yourself?
After 5 years,
5 lang po, 5 lang. Oo.
5 years, hopefully I can stay more here in Bahrain, but I'm planning to move another company.
Ma'am, alam mo na ha, mag-move daw siya. Oo. Bigyan mo na siya ng release paper. Gusto niya na daw mag-move after 5 years. Bigyan mo na ng release paper. Okay, once again, let's give a round of applause for our 3 nominees for the star of the night. It will be our lucky winner. Okay, tularan ba, come on! Wala ba kayo mga kamay for candidate number 1? Ang pagod lang. Candidate number 2, Joanne! Palakpakan mo dyan! Rampa ka mon! Huwag matigas ang katawan, lambutan mo te. Ayun. Pose! Another pose! A pose! Turn around! Well, ikot ka, ikot. Ikot. Hanggang mahilo. Hanggang mahilo. Jonas. Okay, thank you so much. Candidate number 3, Rose! Dito na kayo mga ining. Dito na kayo. Ito na. And gentlemen, the moment of truth, we're gonna announce now our winner, the star of the night for our second batch. Yung mananalo dito, huwag niyo akong sisihin. Ako lang yung nag-desisyon. Ako ang nagwagi. Charot. Anyway, our winner, ladies and gentlemen, who do you think will be? Come on, shout your choice! Habang ang dahil sa shout your choice! All together, shout your choice! Who do you think will bring home the crown for the star of the night for our second batch? Please move forward, and it's you, none other than, mag-ready ka na, you are our star of the second batch. It's you, candidate number, so Miss Joanne! Come on, representing to you our girl cheerleader dance number. Ngayon na magkakasunod ng specs. Nag-usap-usap na sila. Mas magaling na isa dun, oh. Yung naka-checker to, oh. Lumulutag-lutag siya, oh. Mas magaling na yung mga backup dancers, oh. Si John na rin, oh. Galing, oh. Mas magaling pa. O, diba? Si Ma'am John na rin, focus mo, oh. Galing, oh. Para ma-picture ka sa vlog natin. Oh, yun na, oh. Ay, sensi nyo. Oh, huwag magtinginan. Kung kayo mag-focus. Gentlemen, at this point of time, we're gonna move forward with the next awarding for you. Our special award will be the Commitment to Time Award will be given to the participant who came early on this prestigious event. And then to present the award, may we call on, may we have here, Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Promise Joy, and Ma'am Jonaline. For the award for the commitment to time will be given to the participant who came early for this prestigious event. And then, we have also joining us here in front, Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Jonaline, and Ma'am Joy. Our winner to receive the Commitment to Time Award will be given to, please come forward. It's you, Jude Di Palma! O, di ba ba lang palakpak?
Okay, thank you. This certificate of recognition, this certificate proudly presented to Stanley Santos for being the best host of the night at the annual Party of Family Home Care Services. Your energy, enthusiasm, and ability to engage everyone made the event truly memorable. Presented this 9th day of January 2026, signed by the owner Ali A. Rahim Salman and the manager Arlene G. Manaw.
For the Family Home Care Services staff and management, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for giving this award, a certificate of recognition from this day, January 9, 2026, here at Arman Hotel. It's a great honor and privilege to receive this award. Thank you so much, Ma'am Promise Joy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Arlene. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jonaline, for giving this award. I truly treasure this award. And sana, sa mga kapwa natin mga healthcare givers, sa mga kapwa natin mga frontliners, dahil ako rin ay isang nurse by profession, sana ay pagputuloy lang natin yung mga naumpisan natin sa pamilyaharap. At sana huwag tayong mapagod na paglilingkuran yung mga pasyente natin. Kasi bilang kapalit po nun, pagtulong natin, pag-aruga natin sa mga kapwa natin, or sa mga may sakit, o sa mga nakapansanan, iba po yung kapalit nun. Kung baga mag-bless tayo ng doble-doble. Kung ano yung mga binibigay natin ng pag-aaruga, pagkalinga sa kanila, for sure, ito-treasure nila yun at hindi nila tayo makakalimutan. So once again, Family Home Care Services, thank you for this award! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Once again, representing to Group C under dance number, palakpakan naman dyan! okay na talaga. Dayang-dayang pala yun. Oh, yung pala yun. Lambutan mo ate ko. Yung isa doon parang ano, tuod. Lambutan mo pati. Ikembot mo, oo. Giling. Giling pa more. Oh. Ayun na, oh. To go dance step. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, we're gonna award the best performer from the different groups who just cater and showcase their talent on the dancing and singing as well. Who do we put our winner? Shout your choice.
Shout your choice daw.
Again, shout your choice. Who will be our winner for the best performing one? Sino? 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 Wala salita. Sino? Anyway, ang Madla people at ang ating Pangulo ng mga institusyon ito ay nagdesisyon na ang ating winner para sa ating best performer for tonight lovely band for the Family Home Care Services Annual South Party 2026 will be given to none other than with group first will be group. Show your choice. Group. None other than Group B.
The rainbow.
Our other winner for our other winner for the best performer for tonight lovely band for the Family Home Care Services Annual Stock Party will be given to shout your choice group which one group? Which one group? Group who will be our other winner for the best performer group none other than our group number none other than congratulations Group D! O sige na, kita na. Congratulations. And before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the manager of Family Home Care Services. Let's give it up for none other than Ma'am Arlene Manao for her thank you message. Bigyan natin siya ng masigabong palakpakan.
Magandang gabi ulit sa inyong lahat. Labis-labis ang pasasalamat ng management ng Family Home Care, especially in behalf of Sir Ali. Pinararating niya ang kanyang pasasalamat sa ating lahat dahil tagumpay na naman tayo sa ating kaganapan na ito. Doon sa mga iba na hindi kumbaga sa awards na natanggap ng iba, katulad ng sinabi na 5 years hanggang 1 year. Kung kayo magtsatsaga, maabot nyo rin. Pero kailangan dito talaga yung dedicated kayo sa work ninyo. Unang-una, sa mga special award na nabigay, sila yung not receive any complaint, anything complaint, wala akong nare-receive at ang mga pasyente ay talagang gusto sila at inare-request sila. Kaya sa iba, alam kong mahirap doon sa iba na hindi pare-pareha sa mga pasyente. Yun ay para ma-encourage tayo na mag-work pa tayo ng mas mabuti at meron tayong kahihinatnan sa ating sa Panginoon. Katulad ko, simula sa caregiver, nandito ako ngayon. Kaya, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Sana nag-enjoy lahat at walang walang sad. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you rin sa iyo, sir, sa pag-host sa gabi nito. Maraming salamat.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how about for the ground applause once again from the manager of Family Home Care Services, that was once again Ma'am Arlene Manel. A big round of applause for her. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we invite here up on the stage the HR and accounting. Let's give it up for Ma'am Promise Joy for a few words. I have with me beside me the HR and accounting staff of the Family Home Care Services. Once again, a big round of applause for Ma'am Promise Joy Manal. Ay, kulang. More energy. More life. Alright, Ma'am Promise Joy, before we officially close our program, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away.
Thank you, Mr. Stanley Santos. So, nagpapasalamat kami dahil nag-host ka sa annual party namin, naging part ka ng aming celebration. Thank you kasi kahit na maraming may mga nangyari ng mga nakaraan na misunderstanding at saka kahit na on the spot, sabi ko sa kanya, isingit mo to, nagagawa niya naman ng paraan. So, highly recommended si host Stanley. So, kung kailangan ninyo, kontakin niyo siya. I think nalibot na niya, nasabi na niya sa inyo yung kanyang mga account, social media account. So, kontakin niyo na lang siya. Yun lang. Thank you so much.
What a truly wonderful and unforgettable evening. Thank you so much, Ma'am Promise Joy. Alright? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close our program, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for our committee in charge. First of all, our food and venue, the Arman Hotel. A big round of applause. We also want to acknowledge our beautiful decoration for tonight from our decorator, Miss Joanna. And for our videographer for the vlog and photographer, Miss Eka. From a round of applause. And for our music coordinator, none other than Miss Promise Joy. And for our two beautiful event organizer, Ma'am Promise Joy and Ma'am Jonalyn, a big round of applause. And once again, a big round of applause for the manager, Ma'am Arlene. And we would like also to extend our sincerest appreciation for all the staff, caregiver staff, in gracing this momentous occasion. Palakpakan niyo ang iyong mga sarili. What a truly wonderful and unforgettable for the 5th annual party for the Family Home Care Services. What an absolutely incredible night live here at Arman Hotel. This has been your host for tonight, host is Stanley, signing off. Palakpakan naman dyan. This has been the Family Home Care Services 5th annual party. To all the participants and guests for tonight, thank you so much for joining this lovely event. Maraming salamat po and the best as all. We are from Family Home Care Services. Woo! Thank you so much.
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your